are you in this category? You want a serum oil that you can use incorporating your skincare routine, like you're aging, you want that serum that give you this glass looking face, like you want to glow flawlessly, like you literally want everybody to notice your glow when you step out from your house. Then you need to watch this video, because I'm going to be revealing to you this amazing serum. Guys, this serum is doing the work effortlessly, guys. Yes, and a lot of people have asked me about this serum, and this is my honest review on the serum. So let's dive straight into this video. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're my old and returning subscriber, hello you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for always sticking with your baby girl here. Yes guys, if you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Vivian, founder of OlyveenSkinCare, guys. Yes guys, so yeah, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel, because you're going to be getting amazing updates on this channel. Review products, also talk about beauty, give you hints on amazing supplements, beauty supplements, skincare products, guys, a lot. So subscribe to our channel to get amazing update from us. Okay, so guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and also turn your push notification bell on so that you'll be notified each time we drop any video on this channel, guys. So without further ado, let's dive straight into this video. This serum I'm going to be talking about is this serum here. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. It's showing me upside down. So this serum is so amazing. Moyam Retinol serum, guys. This serum is so good. A lot of people have asked me that how does this serum really work, because you guys are not seeing the trend on YouTube or on TikTok. You see that platform, you see TikTok platform, anybody TikTok did not buy will not buy. Guys, put it up so that you guys will screenshot it, girl. Yeah, you can buy it. This serum is so good, so good. Like, I know the thousands of serum out there that they are selling 15,000, 12,000. This one is not up to that price, but it's doing the work effortlessly. You guys know that your baby girl, I don't come out here to tell you shit, guys. I tell you the real deal. Like, if I don't know what to talk about on that product, I'd rather keep quiet than to deceiving my subscriber to buy something that is not working. You guys know that I love things that work, okay, right? So this here, it works a lot. Like, I have a few customers who asked me about the serum. I said, then I don't know about it, so I said, okay, let me give it a try. I'll give this a try and then come back with my honest review. I cannot give you or talk to you about something I don't know if it's working or not. Okay, so that is why I have to take my time, try this product out, then I will confident enough to tell you the real truth about this product here. So this is it is a 30 ml serum. Okay, this is retinol serum with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. So nice, guys. This is so good. It's good, very nice, this serum. And one thing I love about this serum is because of the actives on the serum, the ingredients, the active ingredient that is packed on this serum, guys. It contains hyaluronic acid, it contains vitamin E, it contains collagen, it contains vitamin C as well, and yes, it contains ethyl ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, that is the step form of vitamin C. It contains retinol, it contains ceramide, it contains hyaluronic acid, collagen. Guys, see, this is, see all the ingredients, so amazing. This serum is good if you're looking for a serum that you can, like a budget serum that, and it's not too expensive, unlike, let me not call other brand, okay, that have 15,000 naira serums, 12,000 naira out there. So this one here is not too expensive and it's doing the work effortlessly. So this is a serum that you can go and give a try, guys. Let me bring it out, guys. Okay, look at how it is here. It's a 30 ml bottle. So nice, so nice. Look at it, but please look out for the original one. Don't buy fake, see it, screenshot it, get it. Okay, we also have it available if you want to get from us. This is very nice. Like, this serum here is so good, very nice, is affordable, yes, and it's doing the work effortlessly. Give you this glass face, it's moisturize your face, and it's not harsh. in as much as it contains vitamin C, it's not harsh. It gives you this glass ageless face. It glows your face. You want to get, if you want to get this product, like you want to apply this serum that gives you this ageless face, glass face, smooth and flawless face, then get the serum. I know a lot of serum out there, okay, so but this one, the one I have, this one I have tried, can categorically tell you that this is really working. Is doing the work. Be reading out the things that the manufacturer of this product indicated on the bottle, so that you will know what it really does, and then if you follow up to get this product or not. Okay, so it's written here, retinol is benefits packed powerhouse of anti-aging, derived from vitamin A. It supports collagen production and improves skin cells turnover. This helps to firm the skin while diminishing the appearance of the fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, and dark spots, leaving behind a fresh, youthful glow. Trust me, it does. Yes. And then rejuvenating retinol face serum joined first with soothing hyaluronic acid to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Yes, it does. Retinol serum will improve skin cells production and increases collagen production, giving your skin a fresher, plump appearance. Guys, yes, it does as well. How to use this product: after washing your face, apply this product 2 to 3 drops. Okay, apply 2 to 3 drops on the face and your neck, morning, and you can use it morning and evening. And also, for best results, follow up with a moisturizer. That is what it's reading here. Use sunscreen daily, as retinol increases sun sensitivity. These are the things that the manufacturer wrote on this product, what it does, the benefits, and all the rest. So guys, for my own review, I would say this product, yes, it works. If it works, for you guys asking me if it's really working, yes, it's working. But my own is that anything you are using, you guys know that I always tell you, anything you are using it with wisdom, don't abuse it. Okay, so please, and the manufacturer said when you apply, when you're going under the sun, try to apply sunscreen. Yes, it's mild, it's not harsh at all, but in as much as that, try to apply sunscreen, because you guys know that retinol increases the sensitivity of your skin. So in order to avoid any skin problem or skin issue, and you say Olivine said that, please apply sunscreen when you are going under the sun. Very, very important. So you can apply it morning and night. And how to use your serum: a lot of people are very they don't know how to use their serum. When you want to use your serum, if you are using a skincare routine and you want to use your serum, please, after applying your moisturizer, then apply your serum. If you're not using toner, but if you're using toner should come before your moisturizer. Then after your moisturizer, then you apply your serum. That is how to use your serum. Some people will still use it otherwise and still say Olivine said. Please be conscious of whatever you are using, in as much as it's safe. Okay, so this is my honest review on this product. It's working, but apply wisdom. It is working. Use sunscreen when you're going under the sun, please. Okay, so it's going to give you a flawless face, hydrate face, moisturize face, glowing, okay, and also reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on your face, making your face look so youthful and plump and healthy. This is a very good serum I can recommend to you if you are this kind of person. You don't have money to buy high price serum, and you still want to get that face, like you still want to get that glass face, smooth face, and flawless face, then go on with this serum. Like, you will not regret it. Trust me, you will not regret the money you spend on this serum. You won't regret it at all. This is amazing. So, and if you are here, if you have tried this serum before, let me know in the comment section how it works for you, and let me know in the comment section if you'll be giving this serum a trial. Yes, and also tell me what kind of product you want me to review. Trust me guys, your baby girl is here to tell you how things work, the real reviews, and not giving you fake reviews or trends that I don't know if it's working or not. Okay, so this serum, if you are here, you are skeptical if you get the serum or not, if it's going to work for you or not, trust me, it's going to work for you. And it doesn't darken the face. No, it doesn't darken the face. It doesn't bleach the face. It will brighten your face, not darken or bleach your face. No, It doesn't darken, it doesn't bleach, but it will brighten your face. Yes, and you see the amazing ingredient. If you are this person, the kind of person you are aging already, this should be an ideal for you as well, because of the ceramide, because of the collagen, because of the retinol that this product contains. Is doing the work effortlessly. Trust me guys, you guys know that I keep it real. Yes guys, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, share, and also subscribe for more videos from us. I love you guys, and thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you.